हेलो बिलीवर्स, वुमेन ऑफ इम्पैक्ट सीरीज के एक और एपिसोड में मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज की हमारी गेस्ट है निधि बावसे। शी इज अ वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर, एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर ऑफ टीआई नागपुर एंड आल्सो an interior designer come architect. So she is a multi-talented woman, and watch this video till the end. Learn many things from her and be brave to believe in you. Subscribe.
So hello believers, we I'm welcome you all one of the new episode and आज के हमारी guest है निधि बाव से। Actually निधि startup TI group में है and she is doing wonderful job. So I request Nidhi, please introduce yourself.
Thank you so much, Rahul, and thanks for inviting me.
Yeah.
So, introducing about myself, it's like I really have a very interesting story.
Okay.
So I just started my I just started my degree in interior designing, and while studying, I started doing chota business like small project which used to come at college, and from there I started my NB design studio after graduating. And later on, I have joined the Government Women Industrial Training Institute, that is especially for the women. So I used to teach the women over there, and there are a lot of women who are like, twice my age, or with me, I can say age of my mom. So, so this is how I started. And then later on, I've decided last 5 years back, I decided to do my MBA. I came to Nagpur, I did my MBA, and currently I am working as an executive director at TI Nagpur.
Wonderful, Nidhi. Wonderful.
So this is all about me.
Yes, yeah, it's great, really great. Nidhi, I just wanted to know, like, आपका ये startup का कीड़ा कब start हुआ, basically?
Okay, like this is really very interesting. So like I've mentioned कि I have started, मैंने अपने college के time पे ही छोटे छोटे project करने शुरू कर दिए थे, but उससे भी पहले, like my mom is an entrepreneur, but currently she has decided to take a break and she's a homemaker, but an entrepreneur is always an entrepreneur.
Correct.
So while growing up in my childhood days, I have seen how she's dedicated towards her work, how she's taking a business from stage A, or from stage A to B, B to C. The growth, the dedication, the hard work, the way she used to deliver the lectures. She's a Vastu Shastri. She used to do a Feng Shui. So that Kira, we can say that Kira वो मुझे बचपन से आ गया था, because I used to observe her, see her कि कैसे business करते हैं, and being a lady, being a mother, and thankfully my dad is really very supportive, and she really got a great support पापा के end से. So that's from there वो कीड़ा मेरे अंदर आया कि do venture entrepreneurship and startup.
Great. As you are executive director of TI, what exactly you do and what TI is doing for startups?
Okay, so like I'll give a little brief about TI. So TI is the Indus entrepreneur. It was started at Silicon Valley, headquarters at Silicon Valley, in 1992. So it's almost like 29 years, we can say. So since inception, so TI Nagpur started in 2009. So since its inception, TI is been supporting every stage of entrepreneurs, or we can say the fostering entrepreneurship through its 5 pillars: mentoring, networking, education, incubation, and funding. So from last 11 years, TI Nagpur has been very actively doing the initiatives or the programs, workshop, various initiatives under the leadership of 9 presidents. So to impact and like, if I can say, like during this COVID period last year, and still the COVID is still going on. So we have been impacted more than 6,000 entrepreneurs as well as professional. There are a lot of professional, they start their own venture, and currently we are running 10 to 11 new initiatives, and there are under a lot of initiatives that are under pipeline, under the leadership of our current president, Mr. Nitin Sachdeva.
Okay. Great. Amazing initiative. And as we are running a series into Women of Impact, I just wanted to know how your organization is affecting and implementing and improving women's into the entrepreneurship.
Right. So, TI has initiative TIE Women, which is a very current initiative. TIE has been, supporting women entrepreneurs since so long. So prior to this, they had the Air Suite, which was, in collaboration with US government. Even the TIE Nagpur, they already had TIE V, and then now we have a TIE Women, which is a TIE Global initiative. So last year in 2020, that was the first year for the TIE Women. So there were we have been impacted. Like there are a lot of women entrepreneurs who have come up, and there are a lot of series of workshops which we have done, and with the TIE Global has signed MOU with the so the TIE Women is a TIE Global initiative. Last year we have launched with RGNI PM at Nagpur. Okay. And we have done a series of workshop, one-on-one mentoring, one-on-one mentoring that had been happened with by the hands of our charter members, our experts. And the TIE Global has been supporting the women entrepreneurs. They have run a lot of initiatives, a lot of workshops for winners, runner-up, and the women entrepreneurs who are the part of it. Okay. So last year, our women, the winner of TIE Nagpur, she got an opportunity to compete at TIE Global Dubai. Wow. And the winning prize was $1 lakh. But our winner, Miss Kanika Diwani, she reached till semi-finals, and okay. Again the applications are open for year 2, the TIE Nagpur TIE Women Global Pitch Competition 2021. Dubai, again it's happening at Dubai. Okay. The finale will happen at GTEx, and the initiative was started with the vision to embrace, engage, empower women entrepreneurs across the globe. Okay. Irrespective of their size, standing, or we can say the origin. So okay. It's completely the sector agnostic. Any women entrepreneur who is willing to, participate in this initiative, they can participate. And there are the 5 pillars. And the 5 pillars, the learning, mentoring, access to fund, scalability, safe space, and community. So these okay. are the 5 pillars of, or we can say the vision that TIE Women has been started at TIE.
ग्रेट एक्चुअली बहुत ही अच्छा काम आप लोग कर रहे हैं, एंड जो वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की ओर आप लड़कियां एंड बाकी वुमेन्स को आप पुश कर रहे हैं, दैट इज वेरी गुड. मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगा निधि कि इसके अलावा लोकल लेवल पे आप लोग किस तरीके से किसी को मेंटरिंग करते हैं, लाइक हाउ दे कैन अप्रोच टू यू, एंड उसके बाद उन्हें आप किस तरीके से हेड लेके जाते हैं?
Okay, so see, like I have mentioned, TIE Women is an initiative jahan pe people can fill the women entrepreneur can fill the application. Even it's not only TIE Women, agar koi, we can say an entrepreneur. So entrepreneur can also apply. There are various initiatives, जैसे अभी nurture हमारा चल रहा है initiative. Yeah. Then one-on-one initiative which we are coming up, that's under pipeline. So the people have to apply under that programs, और उसमें then we do the screening process. There is a process that selected entrepreneur, they get an opportunity. उसके बाद we run a lot of series of program from let's say BMC. अगर हम women entrepreneur की बात करते हैं, तो that is a global competition. So I'm just taking an example. We start with business model canvas, or if sometimes the women entrepreneur or the entrepreneur need ki idea validation is required. Yeah. So we start from there, and again a women entrepreneurship एक investor pitch competition है. Okay. So we scale them, we help them BMC से लेके, we help them in refining till dry run of investor pitch, preparing them and dry run for the investor pitch. Okay. So this is how we support. Then we provide one-on-one mentorship. Like basically TIE is that कि जो हमारे charter members होते हैं, so they are the mentors in TIE. So okay. वो हम जो भी incubated होते हैं women entrepreneur या other initiative में जो हमारे startups होते हैं, जो okay. incubate होते हैं हमारे chapter में, तो हम उनको one-on-one mentoringship भी provide करते हैं. And then the general जो generic series जो okay. एक requirement होती है हर एक entrepreneur की. Let's say we talk about the marketing, go to marketing strategy, sales की बहुत सारे fund days होते हैं. Yes. So we do a lot of workshops in lines to that the requirement. Like जैसे अभी if we talk about current scenario, COVID scenario, the pivot is required. बहुत सारे ventures से like the pivot had happened, yeah. And काफी marketing strategies change हुई है. So we see what is required even yeah. in the central India region, because we are located in central India. Nagpur में there are still the exposure अभी काफी exposure आ चुका है, but still if we see कि एक दिल्ली का startup और एक नागपुर का startup, just we try to give that exposure. So
Correct.
This is how we plan a lot of sessions and series, you know, that impact.
Great. Amazing, actually, Nidhi. You're doing amazing work, and आपका जो organization that is also doing fantastic work. At the end, I just wanted to have a message from you to all the women entrepreneurs.
Great. So I believe every women entrepreneur, every woman is very powerful.
Yeah.
You know, just be confident. Failure will be there. Obviously, हमेशा आपको success नहीं मिलने वाला है. But अगर आपको failure मिल गया है, तो don't stop. Just try. आप अपना जो भी, you know, whatever venture you are into, or if you are a professional and you wanted to start something parallelly, so just start. Just work on your dream or whatever you have thought, जो भी आपको चाहिए. So just give your best, and there are a lot of people, there are a lot of organization, even the government is also supporting. Like there are a lot of initiative government has also come up with to support the women entrepreneur. So just be confident and just decide कि नहीं मुझे करना ही है और मुझे करना ही है.
Correct.
This is how, you know, this is my message कि पीछे नहीं आना है. And there's one more message I wanted to give. You know, if someone is married, so उनके husband का अगर उनको support आता है, or maybe the support from their family, that is also very much required. You know, you need to support women because they can do wonders.
Correct.
So this
Definitely.
is my message to all women entrepreneurs.
Yes. काफी अच्छा मैसेज है आपका, एंड होप सो कि आपके मैसेज से जो वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स है और जो इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं स्टार्टअप्स में और खुद के किसी काम में, दे विल गेट इंस्पायर बाय यू. एट द एंड, लाइक हम लोग आपकी जो वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप दुबई इवेंट की लिंक हमारे वीडियो में दी हुई होगी. सो किसी को भी अगर इंटरेस्टेड है तो प्लीज दे कैन गो एंड क्लिक ओवर देयर. ऑल्सो TiE Nagpur is available anytime in their website. So thank you so much, Nidhi, for coming on Believepreneur and giving your time to us.
Thank you so much, Rahul. Thanks
Yes,
everyone.
yes,
And I hope it will impact women entrepreneurs' life.
Definitely. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.